see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Ayan. Wala na sila. Umuwi na sila. Ang tahimik ng bahay. Nakakapanibago lang. Kasi parang nakakabingi ba yung katahimikan. Kasi ang iingay talaga namin. Asing ang saya-saya. And anyway, magkikita-kita pa naman kami very soon ulit. So, yan. Good morning! Today is January 29 and this is the first day of school of the year.
I had some stew before.
No,
I had some stews.
no, that was last year. You were kindy, now you're reception.
I'm here too.
And Kuya is year 2. Ang bilis ng panahon. Ayan, mag-school na siya. You're school na, Kuya. Zaki, hindi ka na sa kindy.
Who brushed my hair like that?
Huh? Concern na naman siya sa kanyang buhok.
I need to do my hair.
7:53.
Yeah, okay. Come on. Excited na excited si Saki. I-fix niya daw yung niya, yung buhok niya. Very conscious siya sa buhok niya. No, you don't need, Kuya. Yeah, it's very hot today. Yan. So, si Sak, na siya? Reception na siya. And si Kuya, grade 2 na siya or year 2 ang tawag dito. So, ipapack ko lang yung lunch nila. What's that? How about you? You stay with? Mommy! May dala-dala siya ng damit, oh. Siya na nagpipili ng damit niya, oh. Yeah, we're gonna... Yeah, we're gonna go to the mall. Mag-ano kami,
Drink bottle for me. I heard that last
Me
night.
too.
Okay.
No, I know. I heard you say a drink bottle for me.
Yeah, bilang ko si
That was
Kuya.
still a wipe because I could not.
Bilang ko raw sila ng kasi okay pa naman yung ni Zach, yung bottle niya, yung baonan niya ng tubig. Si Kuya kasi nawala niya na naman. So ngayon, mamaya, bili ako pagpunta ko ng
Mom, it was a lunch
punta ko ng
order.
Smiggle. Ha?
Mom, it was a lunch order today because I had lunch orders on
Oh,
Monday.
not today, Kuya, because I already made your sandwich. Gumawa na ako ng sandwich nila. Ham and cheese.
Oh, yeah.
Ayan, oh. Ginawa ko na sila ni Zach. And you got your brain food.
What is it? Right.
Grapes. And eto kay
And I got
Zach.
my snack.
Okay.
I got my snack.
May snacks na sila. Pero,
Who's that one?
mag-ano ako, ma?
Who's that one? Okay, I'll put that in my bag. Oh, Mom.
Yes. What's,
warm.
it's gonna be warm. Oh, I have the ice pack there
No,
now.
I want to.
Tawagan ko yung tita niya kasi tumawag kanina. Para i-wish luck si Zach. Ayan sa. Hi, Mel! Tita Mel.
I'm going to the store.
I know, that's what I was ringing you for. I was ringing to say, have a good day.
Yes.
What you got for you? Got a sandwich?
Oh, Mom, it's
Yes.
dead.
What you got on your sandwich today?
Ham and cheese.
Oh, yummy. Well, I hope you have a good day. You too, Teach.
Thank you.
Holly will be lonely without you.
Kuya, tita Mel, wish you luck.
Thank you.
Ayan sila, oh, nag-ayos ng bag. Ayan si Holly, oh.
She'll be lost.
Yeah! Si Zach, parang naiiya siyang kausapin si Tita Mel. Kasi pag tumatawag yung tita niyang yun, nag-aagawan sila. So parang ngayon, yata sila, mix of excitement and nervous sa school. So yun, yung isa, ayan. Hi! Hawak-hawak niya na yung damit niya, magpapabis na. Okay, I'll change you now. Okay, i-change ko na muna siya.
Are you going to get nappy?
Okay, get nappy. Si Kuya na lang daw magbisa kanya. Thanks, Kuya. I'm gonna miss you, Kuya. You always do that every day. Oh,
Yeah, but I can do it on the weekend.
yeah. Thanks,
Because I
Kuya.
have school
Every
on
day
Monday
to Friday.
Wednesday.
Oh, siya na nagpapalit ng nappy ni Holly.
Wait.
ni Holly, tsaka binibihisan niya na ng ano, na pinapalitan niya na yung pajama niya pagkagising ni Holly. So, thanks, kuya. Ayan, palitan niya na. Ay na, Baba. Go, follow, kuya.
Mom, can we walk back home?
Yes.
That's every turn.
Yeah. Gusto na nila maglakad. Pero ngayon, Mommy will drop you off. Because it's your first day, like what I did to Kuya. Ay! Ang laki na nila! Si Kuya year 2 na. You gonna listen?
Oh, you too?
Ano, Kuya? You gonna? Kuya?
Listen to me when I'm walking.
Yeah, you have to listen to Kuya when you walk back home, okay? Okay? Oh, no. Okay. Prepare ko lang yung lunch ni Sa kasi Kuya tapos na siya mag-ano.
Hey, Mom. I'm gonna get some snacks.
Oh, snacks. Lagi yung sinasabi, snacksy. Okay, get a snack. So you have cold water. Yan si Kuya. Hindi pa nakapaglinis kasi di ba haalis lang kahapon ng mga inday.
Sometimes we did me told Mom. Where's Honey? Wow, where's Honey?
Where's your other hand, Papa?
Here. I'm just staying ready. Where's Holly?
Ready, get set?
Go.
1, 2, 3. So, ayan. Ito yung unang hatid natin for this year sa school sa mga bata. Pero tomorrow you're gonna walk, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Gusto nila maglakad.
Well, what if
If it's raining or it's not good weather, I'm gonna
We don't go fast.
drop you off.
Goodbye, Mom.
Listen and
Learn.
learn.
I'm helping you out.
Listen and learn.
Learn.
How about her daw?
Listen up soon.
Zay, you going that way or the arm?
What? This
That
way?
no, Holly's door.
Holly's door na.
We're on a good talk.
Good luck, Zach! I'm gonna miss you, Baba.
I'm gonna do that tomorrow.
Oh, yes, every day. Kuya, see you. Thank you, Kuya, for helping Mommy every day. I'm gonna miss you too, Kuya.
Soon.
See you soon. Andun na talaga si Sak, oh. Natid namin si Sak sa kanyang room. Kuya. Where's Kuya? Saan tayo na?
Back.
Holly, come on. Where's your name, Zach? Zachary. Where's your name, Baba?
Excuse us, BK, can you move out, love?
This is Sophie.
Guys, down here, darling.
Zachary. Here, Zach. Ayan yan kay Zach.
Dad, do you want to take the jumper off or leave it on?
Zachary, Max is on the screen.
So that door's shut.
It's alright, Papa. Just do like this. Like this. Okay?
Mommy,
Yes?
I'm
Pardon? No. No, Papa. This is only for Kuya Zach. Not for you. Not yet, okay? I don't know. Ilalagay niya rin daw yung bag niya. Okay, let's go. Nasa, ano sila eh, nasa playground pa. Your head, Zach, ha? Are you excited? Hmm? Why are you so quiet? Ang quiet-quiet niya. Oh. Tinatanong siya ng ka-school classmate niya. Hindi siya nagsasalita. Are you happy that you're here at big school now? Huh?
They might talk, you know, like, so if we were in there, they'd be like, yeah. They're always
quiet niya. Oh.
It's sort of getting bigger than that, but then.
Diyan lang siya. Gusto niya rin makipaglaro kila kuya niya. Papa! Yes, come on here. Help me. Okay, go. Go. Careful, Baba. Kuya. Help her, Kuya. There's Kuya. And Kuya Zachary. Ayun si Kuya Zachary. Slide. Ready, go. Yay! Okay, one more slowly. Thanks, Ann. Okay, Kuya is going to school. Ollie. Ayan, nag-bell na.
Bye, Bob.
Bye na. Love you. Be good, okay? Listen to me. See ya.
See ya.
Ang cute ng ano setup nila. Dalawa. May ano sila, may division. Dito naman, iba naman yung setup. Ang cute. Where you gonna sit, love? Tapos dito iba naman. Ang cute ng setup ng room nila. Oh. Tapos iba naman dito. Ang cute ng setup talaga. Ha? Are you excited? Kuya? Ha? You cannot sit there, Bob. Gusto niya mo. Okay, bye-bye now. Bye to Kuya Sak now. Bye. Come on. No food in the car, Baba. No.
It's in the home.
Not in the car.
In the home.
You eat at home, okay? Okay. Come on, sit down. Hawakan niya lang. Ah. Yay! Okay. Upo. Ayan, dito kayo ni Holly sa Target kasi... Say hi, Baba. Hi. Kasi hanap kami na ang blue short ni Sak. Kasi meron pa naman si Sak na shorts. Pero sabi ni Jan, bilang ko pa rin daw si Sak ng bago. So, yeah, maghanap tayo. Say, Baba, say hi. Ayan, kumakain siya ng... What are you eating? Biki. So, ayan, hanap muna kami ng short. Ayan, nakakuha na ako ng shorts. Ayan, kunan ko na rin sila ng trackies kasi dito sa amin unpredictable ang weather. Minsan sobrang init, minsan sobrang lamig. So, kunan ko sila nito. Ayan na yung napamili namin. Ayan, tapos na kayo dito sa Target. Magbabayad na kami. Wow! No lollies. Ito naman kami sa Kaiser Craft. Bagong bukas to dito sa marketplace kung saan nandito rin yung Smiggle, tsaka Big W. So, sabi ko, i-check ko kasi bago lang sila dito. Ayan, may 30% sila ng mga diaries. Ayan, oh. Ayan. So, tingin-tingin muna ako. Kasi, kailangan ko to para sa schedule ng mga bata sa school, para hindi ko makalimutan kung anong mga ganap nila sa school. And ayan si Holly. Say hi, Holly.
Hi.
Look at me.
Hi.
Hi.
To my foot.
Ito yung Happy Days Only. Isa na lang siya. Ayan, oh. Ano siya, para siyang cloth. Ang niya, texture niya sa labas. Tapos ito yung mga regular lang. So, planner siya. Ang cute nito. Tingnan natin to. So, ayan, oh. So, bili ako nito. So, eto maganda. Isa na lang siya, oh. Kunin natin to. Holly, $13 siya. Ngayon, $9.10 na lang. Nag-sale siya. 30% off. What color is this?
Pink.
Pink. This is mine. Yes. Tingnan nyo to. Ang cute, oh. Yung mini mini potting green. Yung golf. Ayan, oh. $19.
It's the door.
Who? Kuya? Who?
It's the door.
It's Kuya's golf. Yes.
It's the door.
Daddy's as well. Yes. Ayan, ang cute.
I'm dummy.
Tapos may dalawa rin siyang golf balls. Ayan. 1, 2, ayan.
Dummy is
Ang cute niya. $19. Ayan, may nakita rin ako dito yung Anna, Gary. Ayan yung brand. Ang cute ng mga nila, measuring cups. Ayan, oh. And meron din silang measuring spoons. Ang cute din. Ceramic ata ang tawag dito. Ayan, babasagin siya. Ang cute niya. Parang mapapabili ako nito. Wait lang, ha. Ayan, meron din sila mga animal characters sa measuring cups. Kung mga pet lovers kayo, meron kayo. Ayan, merong dogs. Ayan yung nila, measuring spoons. And then, nandito rin, ang cute ng pusa. Mga pusa naman to. Ayan, ang cute, diba? Meron silang lead holder or pop rest. Ayan, ang cute, oh. Kuha din ako nito. Ayan, may mga pens sila na naka-separate. Kung gusto mo pastel lang, ayan, meron silang pastel. And kung gusto mo metallic, ayan din. Kung gusto mo lang neon, may neon colors din sila. So, ayan. Gusto ko to. Ito ang kukunin ko. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Punta naman tayo sa Smiggle. Come on, Baba. Smiggle. Hi. Hi. Okay.
Well, there's some special things in there.
Thank you. Yeah. See ya. Thank you. Say bye-bye now. Say bye. Thank you. Okay, I'll get your shoes. Okay. Okay.
It's a shopping.
Pardon?
It's a shopping.
We're gonna go shopping. Yes. Dito kami sa Big W naman. Say, what you gonna do? What you gonna do here? What we gonna do here, Baba? I know what we're gonna do here.
Shopping.
Shopping. Okay. Okay.
My shopping.
Okay, your nappies. Kuha kami ng nappy niya.
My shopping.
Okay. Natin ito si Holly. Here, Baba. Who's this?
Little mouse.
Minnie Mouse. What you gonna say? What you gonna say? Thank you. And this one? Okay, what you gonna say? Kuha tayo ng wipes, yung walang scent lang. Ayun. Yes, it's yours. What you gonna say? You're welcome. Yeah. Ayan, tapos na kayo dito sa Big W. Magbabayad na kami. You're full. You're gonna full. You want rice? Oh my God, gutom na siya. Gusto niya na ng rice. Ayan, magbabayad lang kami. There you go. Kasi bibilang ko siya nito. Oh. Yung ano to? Frozen. Parang coloring book siya. Yeah, coloring book. Let me see, Papa. Let it go. Wow. Para mabisi din siya. Yes. Okay. Wow. Sing.
Wow.
Wow. What you gonna say to Mommy? Thank you.
Oh.
Okay.
Open
No, because we have to pay first. Okay?
mine.
Yes, don't open. Okay, look. Who's that one? Who's that?
Elsa.
Elsa.
Wow.
Wow. What?
Paper.
Paper. Okay, let's go.
Wanna. I wanna.
What?
Wanna.
You want Moana?
Yes. Now bingo. Bingo.
This one. What's it? Let me see. Let me see first. Gusto niya. Paborito niya rin si Moana. What you gonna say? Thank you. Look.
Well, well.
You smell? No, Baba. Come on, we're gonna pay first.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a rewards card.
No, I don't. So, ayan. Tapos na kayo dito sa Big W. And, ayan. Ilagay ko lang yan sa car. And then, punta ko ng Woolies. Kuha lang ako yung mga kailangan namin. Lalo na sa mga bata. Right, Baba? Yung mga baon nila. Kasi hindi ako punta ng Coles. Kasi nandito na rin naman ako sa may marketplace. So, sabi ko dito lang ako kuha. Yung mga, ano lang, mga fruits lang naman ang kukunin ko eh. At saka yung mga snacks nila. So, yan. Right, Baba? Say yes. Yes. Lagay ko muna to sa car.